So, now see lateral displacement. So, again we will come back to the refraction of the light through glass slab. Suppose we have taken glass slab in this way here, and here this is a normal and this is angle of incidence over here. The ray refract and comes here, this is angle of refraction r, and again we draw normal at this point, this is also known as r. Now, in this case the ray goes like this is called angle of emergence, but when we produce this ray incident ray, we will be getting these two are parallel but laterally displaced. This perpendicular distance is known as lateral displacement. So, now in this case if I take here, suppose this is L, this is M, this is N and this point is P. So, now I have to calculate actually NP. NP is the lateral displacement. This angle we can write here, this one which is over here, we can write I minus R. So, in triangle NPL we can write sin I minus R is equal to NP upon here NL. And now see here this another triangle LMN. So, in triangle LMN we can write cos R is equal to LM upon NL. So, we have taken these two triangle, one is NPL and another one is here LMN. In both these triangles we have got sin I minus R and then here the cos R. Now, we have to calculate actually NP here, this perpendicular displacement. So, we can equate these two. So, we will be getting in this case here, we can write NL is equal to LM upon cos R. Now, we know it sin I minus R is equal to NP upon NL. So, NP upon value of NL we can write here, that is here LM into cos R. Now, we can write this one, we can get the formula final one. We have to calculate NP. So, we can write NP is equal to LM sin I minus R divided by cos R. This is LM is this one, this is the thickness of the glass slab. If we are taking this thickness is suppose T, so we can write NP we can take here in this case here D, that is a lateral displacement. So, we can write D is equal to T into sin I minus R upon cos R. So, this is the formula for the lateral displacement. So, you can see here the lateral displacement is directly proportional to actually thickness of the glass slab. So, if you change the thickness of the glass slab or if you place the glass slab in a different manner, then the lateral displacement will be different, and also it depends on the refractive index as well as angle of incidence.